And we're asking the government to seriously think that the solution is not for their political gains, not for the votes, it's for the Kenyans.
ICJ Kenya imeweza kuona kuwa ubomoaji huu hauzingatii kanuni za sheria. Tumeweza kuona kuwa ubomoaji huu unatekelezwa kwa misingi ya ubaguzi. Sehemu zingine nyumba za bomolewa, sehemu zingine hazijabomolewa. Na ICJ Kenya asema kuwa serikali yapaswa kuwa mstari wa mbele kutekeleza majukumu yake kwa misingi ya kisheria.
You are all aware that most of you who have titles, you always know there are third parties who have been affected by that. There are some who have taken to the banks. There are some who have bought those properties in the open market. There are many others who have bought these properties in one way or the other lawfully required to be done. And these people are going to be affected by what is going on. And these rights must be protected. We're not asking that the people who have grabbed public land, who are built on riparian land, should be given or should go scot-free. Our interest is that we must protect both the public properties, riparian land, environmentally safe properties like the Mau Forest Complex, but there should be due process in doing so.